Now that I have my motherboard and CPU, what's next?
Well, now that we know the backbone of your system, most people would usually consider what graphics card they're going to be getting.
Okay, what graphics card should I go for?
Well, there's a lot of things to consider when choosing a graphics card that's available within your budget, such as what games you're going to be playing, what frames per second or refresh rate you're going to be looking for, as well as the resolution that you're going to be playing those games at. So how do those factor in for you?
Okay, well, I typically play FPS games like Apex Legends, but I was also looking to upgrade from my 1080p monitor. What would you recommend?
Well, without blowing your budget, I could definitely recommend something like a good all-rounder, like our RTX 3070 Tough Gaming. This will provide amazing frame rates for the 1440p resolution, and it even has decent ray tracing performance. Choosing a graphics card will be largely dependent on what games you want to play, the resolution you're playing at, and these days, even if you want to try ray tracing. If you're looking to play any game at 1080p, then you can go with a more affordable GPU option. But in our all-rounder user case scenario, we're considering the RTX 3070 Tough Gaming, which has a metal shroud, support for up to 4 displays, and ASUS's axial fan technology for improved cooling.
I can't wait to get some high frames with this card.
Yeah, it'll handle almost anything you throw at it. It's pretty tough.